Hello everyone. We are cleaning out some cons that we got about a month ago on the Fraser River at a secret location. We're not going to disclose where the location is for this one, for obvious reasons you'll see. I've left it up to Mike and Pete to set up the gold cube here. And they've only done it once before, so it's a bit of a comedy of errors, I think. Right, Mike?
No one's laughing.
No, I am. Hey, that was a laugh. So they're setting up the gold cube right now. We're going to just recirculate in the tub here and clean up a bucket full of cons that we have. Turn this generator off.
What? I can't hear you. Yeah, that's better. This is kind of...
We got a bucket load of cons we're cleaning up. And we don't know how much is in the cons, but we're assuming it's pretty darn good. So look at that. Mike and Pete got the gold cube and trommel all set up on their own with no help from me.
Okay, get the scooper to Mike. Look at all this red here.
Okay, before you start running it, guys, let's get that bin so it's actually catching everything. And what we might want to do is move the... We might want to move the gold cube forward a bit so its discharge isn't hitting that bar.
Okay. So which this way?
Yeah, lift, 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 lift. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now you got her.
Okay.
I'm happy with the angle of the dangle here. We're a little
The angle of the dangle? You're nice and level side to side. That's what matters. Forward to back doesn't matter too much. And you're really good forward to back because it's tilted back right now. Yeah. Means the top mat is running faster than the bottom mat.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. Yeah, and the angle here is perfect.
Let's put just a small little scoop in and just to make sure things are looking good. The mats were scrubbed nicely.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't lose any between on the way. This is rich cons.
You can see the gold in the dirt.
Oh yeah, you can see glitters all through the... You can actually see the gold in the cons here. Oh, look at that. Gold, gold everywhere. Dad's here helping today too. We got the whole crew. Pete is feeding the gold cube really slowly right now. And that's partly because of how much gold is in these cons. Look at that, I see a flake in there already.
I did too when I first came over. You're making sure all that stuff falls in there and takes, eh?
That's the idea.
For the second run?
For the second run, yep.
Let's move the, I want to get a wedge in there because it's drifting backwards.
I can keep it towards the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah, I saw a piece go by.
Kind of dripping.
Oh, a nice piece just went by. You can actually see him go by here. There was a flash
on the top. Top there.
Red hair in here.
There's a lot of red hair.
There's a lot of red hair in it because
shedding. It must be springtime.
I was keeping these cons in my ensuite bathroom, right below where I brush my beard.
Safe place. Keeps his cons in his bedroom.
I sleep with my gold, yes.
Yeah.
Now what we want is to find some gold in that bucket afterwards.
Yeah.
No, that means we did it wrong.
No, that means it was too big to fit through the trommel.
I want to see it down low.
You like that piece?
Yeah, like a chunk.
I should have said chunks, that would have worked.
It's still a little long. It won't take us more than 20 minutes to do the whole thing, right?
No, it won't take long at all.
No.
I was thinking of classifying it down to 1/16 before we ran it through.
Yeah.
But with the trommel, 1/8, Gold Cube can take that. We're fine.
So, you classify some of it though already, or what?
Nope.
Oh, okay. That's just the way it was.
That's just the way we got it, yeah.
There's nails.
Yep. Yeah.
I can't believe the amount that's dropping in, Dan.
That you can see as it goes by. Yeah.
You come over here and you see the. Oh no, what's those piece? They're gone. So they must be sitting in the bottom tray or not.
I'll be intrigued to see how much is in the, how much makes it through, because this stuff is, Fraser River Gold's so flat,
Yeah.
it could flitter through.
I haven't seen any on the bottom tray yet, but as I said, that it just hasn't gone all the way down through.
And you know, if the Gold Cube does lose a lot of it, we'll try the Icon. That's that new machine that I'm testing out. That centrifuge should grab anything.
There's a great one, Dan. This is a payback for all the trash talk he gives us.
I never trash talk you, Pete. You?
Nobody on YouTube's heard a single one.
Oh yeah, over the sunlight there, I see lots of glitters on the far side.
Yeah. Shines up pretty good in the sun, doesn't it?
Let's see if the camera will catch those.
Right here in this angle. There's a lot in there.
Oh yeah, gold everywhere. Not really utilizing the effectiveness of a trommel for this, eh? For the half dozen rocks that actually don't make it through. Okay, Mike has just unplugged it.
Okay, I'll move this way, Mike. You're going to take the top off.
Yeah. The reveal. Whoa, careful. Don't whoa. Don't lose it all.
Okay.
You lose all that gold, you're no longer my friend. Holy
macaroni!
Oh, I just swore on tape. Woohoo!
Nothing to see here, Doug. Wow, man.
Dana, should come take a look. Look at that piece.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
Oh yeah, better get my phone out.
Everyone's taking pictures.
I'm taking a video too. And that's not even what might have gone down a little bit too.
Yeah, we'll have to see sort of what didn't get caught.
Okay.
Okay, just a second. Let's have a look how deep this is. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, there's stuff up in the top there.
Oh yeah, there's lots.
How are we going to carry all this gold out of here?
It's gonna be so heavy.
Yeah, I see more down here.
Okay, let's take a closer up shot of this.
We're 50 now.
He wants the best picture to put on. And this was our North Thompson claim, wasn't it?
Yeah, the one we got for sale.
Yeah.
Don't believe these guys, they lie.
I got a bridge for sale too.
In Boston?
In Boston, you know it. Oh, that's pretty.
That's pretty.
Cascading.
Lots of gold there.
Oh, put your fingers back in there. Don't touch it. There might be gold in your fingers.
No, I already looked on them.
Oh,
But look here.
you see something there? Oh, in the handle.
Yeah, there's lots of it in the handle and it's falling out here.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you're right.
I'm just trying to move it over.
So we ran all of the tailings a second and third time through the gold cube just to see what we lost the first time. Mike's gonna lift the top off and we're gonna have a
Lift that off.
Another reveal?
yeah. We hope not to see much.
Okay, I got the bottom.
Oh, there's one big flake.
One piece. Two
Another big
piece.
flake.
Oh,
those big flat
three
ones.
piece.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
they
big flat
went
ones are
right
the ones
through.
that can flitter through.
look at Pete snipering them all.
Yeah,
Do
4 or
the
5.
nugget trap now and see what's. Oh, I can see some
yeah,
already.
there's
Some in
one
there, yeah.
Very few up there, but
Well, I tell you what, actually, guys, we should maybe even pan out the tailings really quickly.
this one.
No, the actual tailings
in the bottom.
in the bottom, really quickly, like not, and see what's there. See if it's enough to worry about, or if we just leave it for the icon to grab.
Yeah.
One little flake in the oversized.
I don't see.
I see one.
Good idea, Dan.
Couple.
One tiny one there, or two.
One medium and one tiny. Yeah.
Yep.
It's amazing because those must be stuck to one of those rocks that go through.
Oh, but how did they go through on the second time though? Or
Stuck to another rock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's that? Metal?
I don't know. Yeah, 2 little babies.
Yeah.
We do, babies.
Okay. You want to look at this one, next one?
Sure. Let's see if
We
it.
got anything in there? Yep. There.
Oh, yep.
There.
Couple of big ones made it down to the second.
There. Maybe.
Yeah, but you know they flittered through the first time, so it's obvious they can flitter through the second time as well. But
Yep.
you guys are just here, spoonful by spoonful, cleaning out the gold now.
Sure wish I had some jet dry.
Why didn't you bring some?
Pete said you had lots.
Pete's full of it.
Full of jet dry?
Yes.
Pete, can I have some of your jet dry?
Don't say that. He'll piss in your pan.
Man, that's heavy. I don't know what that is. I'm sucking it up.
Here we are, concentrating.
Concentrating on.
Concentrating to concentrate. Some of us are concentrating very hard.
Some of us are just drinking beer.
As you can see, there's more than adequate in there.
Luckily, when I edit these videos, I can turn the audio off on a certain clip.
Which is really good because someone might swear or something.
Oh, I did that earlier.
I need the reflection. I need the reflection.
Is that everybody?
That's all the gold in one pan. Okay, predictions, guys. I'll go get the rest of the black sand out at home. I'll soak it in some nitric acid to get rid of the lead out of it. What do you think it's going to be in gold afterwards, Pete?
47 grams.
Ooh. Mike?
47? I'll go 48.
Damn! I'm going to go 48.
I'm going to go 29.
Oh, bugger!
Whoa.
He's way
Pessimist.
he's way underbidding.
Pessimist over here. I'm going to go 50.
Oh, yeah, I mean, look at it, man. It's hard to tell, right?
Yeah, really hard to tell.
Man, I have no idea. So, you know what, man?
Just pile it up in one corner.
Yeah,
Let's
put
see.
it all in one corner. Yeah, get it going good. Are we on video here?
I'm on video, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So careful what you say.
Okay, what you Look at that. That's for you.
No, when it's piled up. When it's
Pretty
piled
close
up.
to filling a bottle,
When
isn't
it's
it?
piled up like that, it's going to be. That's a lot.
What did you say? 47?
Yeah, that's a lot.